Hi folks, welcome back. Well, back in the van. Got it all sheeted up. Going to cut the hole for the skylight. I've been really brutal with it, with the editing here, because I'm just trying to get a couple of quick videos out just to show you the progress that we've made. As you can see, the roof is sparkling clean. That's the template for the skylight. It's going there. Maybe a bit of building up with the butyl tape, but we'll see how it goes. And I'll cut it out, prime it up. Once it's cut out, I'll bring you back in. I'm not going to try and film because the vibration on the roof just knocks the camera off, and I've got nobody to hold the camera. So anyway, holes cut, filed up, cleaned up, and put some of the Sikaflex primer round it. Just waiting that drying, and we'll get the butyl tape put round and built up to the ridges and stuff. So, as you see, nicely primed. So, done. Skylight, and I ran out of battery when I was filming, so I didn't actually realise. So put everything away last night. As I say, it rained all night, so the skylights had a right good test. So trimmed up the butyl tape today, and we'll give it a white Sikaflex round just to tidy it up. And see, we're inside the van, we're marking stuff out. So typical Blackpool weather, it's absolutely hissing it down. This radio, I cannot get it for the life of me to connect my phone properly so that I can use like Waze and stuff like that. So I don't know, I'm probably going to end up ripping it out. Anyway, skylights and that to go in. So go up, show you the finished article. There you go, skylight in, all dressed up, nicely Sikaflexed up with the white Sikaflex. Roof nice and shiny, my roof rails fitted and waiting for my bars. So it's like 4 seasons in one day. It's the rain most of the morning, now the sun's cracking the flags. So typical Blackpool weather. But no, I'm really pleased with the way the roof turned out. So I'll give it all a dry off. There's another Max Fan Dome, whatever you call them, Pro, to go up at the back end of the roof where the shower room's going to be. I'm leaving that until I've got my roof rack on, because then I can see how much room I've got with the solar panels and stuff like that. So that'll be done at another day. But yeah, really pleased with the way the skylights turned out. And yeah, and for what it is, decent skylight as well, decent size. So it's going to be above my bed, so I'll be able to stargaze. So I'll just give it a dry off, and we'll basically call it a wrap on that. I say just little quick videos just to sort of get through the backlog of video content that I had, because obviously with the computer being playing up, I had just been making video content but not putting it together. So I'm just sort of being really brutal just to get the videos put up, and then we can come up to where we are and we'll go more in-depth videos after that. So hope you'll like to be videos, 2 tonight, so just because they're nice and little short ones. If you like them, give us a wee like and a subscribe, and take care of yourselves, people. Bye from me, bye from Simba. Take care folks, ta-ra for now.